Hi everyone, Logan Greenberg with Sunrise Law Group here. I want to answer a question we get all the time, and the question is some variation of where will the case be? So lots of people reach out to us because they're either the trustee of a trust or they're the beneficiary of a trust, and they're trying to figure out, okay, I know I need to exercise my basic beneficiary rights, or I need to pursue some action as the trustee or defend myself from some action as the trustee, but where is this all going to happen? I mean, what do I need to do, or where do I need to go? So there's some basic answers to this question. Number one, the most important thing is the case is going to be in Louisiana. So if it's a Louisiana trust and the property is located here in Louisiana, the case is going to be here in Louisiana state courts. So that's the first thing. Now, what that means is you're basically going to need to retain a Louisiana lawyer who understands Louisiana trust law. Number two, the other question we get is, do I have to come to Louisiana? And the good news is no. Typically, trustees or beneficiaries do not actually have to come in person or appear in court in order to exercise their basic rights. So if a beneficiary wants a basic accounting or some documentation provided, they do not need to be here in Louisiana. It's enough that we are here and acting on their behalf. And the same thing goes for a trustee. If a trustee is trying to defend themselves from some action or wants to take some action in Louisiana, typically the lawyers can do that for them. So the two main things to remember is the Louisiana Trust is probably going to be litigated here in Louisiana, but typically speaking, the individual themselves do not have to come here in person to this state. So if you have any questions about a pending action or one that you think may need to get started here in Louisiana, please feel free to reach out to us. We'd be happy to help.